Hello, my dear students. I heartily welcome you all in this session. Our subject Science, class 6th standard. Dear students, in last class in acids and bases and salts, you have learnt about natural indicators around us. Today in this class, we are going to study turmeric is another natural indicator. Regarding this, let us perform an activity 5.2. So for this, we want a tablespoon of turmeric powder and we need water to make a paste. We have to make a paste. Next, we have to make a turmeric paper. How we should make? See, we should make a turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on a blotting paper or a filter paper and dry it. Cut thin strips of yellow paper we have obtained. So we have to paste it. We have to apply to an blotting paper or a filter paper. Afterwards, when it dry, we have to cut it in strips. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. Observe it like this. A turmeric paper, turmeric paste, and this is soap solution. You can prepare a greeting card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of a plain paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with the soap solution with the help of cotton bud like this. So you will get a beautiful greeting card. So here what we have observed, carefully you observe this. Yes, similarly the test solution listed in 5.3, the observations, it will be like this. It changes its color. Yes, you may try solutions of other substances also. Next one, China rose as indicator. For this we will perform activity 5.3. For that, collect some China rose or a gudal petals and place them in a beaker. We have to add some warm water to this rose petals. Keep the mixture for some times till water becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of indicator to each of the solutions. Here I'll show you. In table 5.4, observe here. Shampoo, lemon juice, soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, vinegar, sugar solution, common salt solution. So these you will get easily. Yes, you prepare it, indicating initial color and final color. So it changes its color. Yes, what the effect of the indicator on acidic, basic and the neutral solutions? China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink. If the solution is acidic, it turns to dark pink or magenta, and basic solution to green. If the basic solution is there, it turns to green color. Otherwise it turns to, if acidic, it turns to dark pink color. Observe here, it is China rose indicator. This is our indicator. And acid, for acid it is dark pink and for base it is green color. We have to prepare like this, and we have to test the solution with these solutions. So which is base, which is acid, we will get easily. Next one, activity 5.4. So here if you are in school, I may do this, but theoretically I'll explain you. These solutions we have to dilute these following chemicals, yes, from our school laboratory, otherwise nearby school laboratory. What are those? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These solutions we have to make dilute. We have to demonstrate using these chemicals on this activity. So we have to write our observations in 5.5. See, effect on a litmus paper, effect on a turmeric paper, and effect on a China rose solution. We have to write our observations here. By the way, observe here carefully hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, these are actually strong acids. They have clearly given these are acids. Is it? So we have to make it dilute. Here sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, these are actually bases. So what is the effect on litmus paper? Here no need to do this practically. We can theoretically we can explain. Dilute hydrochloric acid. Here what happens effect on litmus paper? Here the color changes to blue litmus paper changes to red litmus paper. Yes, and we know the effect on turmeric paper. If the solution is basic, it turns to red color. Yes, so if it is acid, it turns to blue. So like that, effect on a turmeric paper. We have observed that, see why the turmeric stain on a white sheet is turned to red when it is washed with the soap. It is because the soap solution is basic. And effect on China rose, we observe that China rose, if we use as an indicator, if the solution is acidic, it turns to dark pink. If it is base, it turns to green. Yes, so this is effect on China rose solutions. You complete it. Next one, acid rain. See, are you familiar with the term acid rain? Have you ever heard about damaging the effect of acid rain? As the name indicates, the name containing excess of acids. Yes, so it is acid rain. So it is called as acid rain. Where do these acid come from? The rain become acidic because carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, which are released into the pollutions. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So these oxides are released into the air pollution, dissolved in raindrops to form a carbonic acid. What they form? They form carbonic acid and sulfuric. They turn to sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. Acid rain can cause damage the buildings, historical monuments, plants and animals. So this is about acid rain. Today we will finish here your homework. You complete this table 5.5. This is homework for you. Thank you.